my line, couple beautiful girls tell me goodbye. Trucks break down, dogs run off, politicians lie, get fired from the boss. Takes one hand to count the things I can count on. No, there ain't much, man, they ain't ever let me down. But long neck ice cold beer never broke my heart. Like a diamond ring, football teams torn this boy apart. Like a neon dream dawned on me, bars in this guitar. Long neck ice cold beer never broke my heart. All right, we're going to do two versions of this. This is the acoustic version. If you're out here playing with an acoustic guitar and you want to play it and you want to sing it, that's what this one is. The next lesson I'm going to put up, we're going to do the electric guitar version. We're going to do the intro lick and we're going to do some of the licks that's in the song. For the bar band people out there, for the guys playing the electric and stuff. Okay, super easy song. It's 3 chords, D, A, and G. So the entire verse, you just drone the D. Just, I've had a largemouth bass, bust my line, couple beautiful girls, and just D. We're just droning that D. That's all we're doing. And the entire time. Even through the, it takes one hand, count the things I can count on, the whole thing. So, and then we come into the chorus, where the changes are here. Long neck, ice cold beer. That's a G. Never broke my D. That didn't sound right. Okay. Alright. So it's D, neck, ice cold G. Never broke. Back to D. Diamond rings, football teams to A. On this boy apart. Back to D. Dream dawned on me. G. In this, back to D. And D, ice cold G. Never broke mine, back to D. And that is the entire song. So it's a great song if you're a beginner or really just need a simple song to get out there and play and sing along. The changes come along and it's simple but still kind of genius because he brings the musical variety into it with his voice. And we're just droning on the same D through the whole verse, but he manages to make it sound different and cool. So, now one thing if you want to play along with the record, they're tuning down. They're tuning down half a step on everything. I'm not tuned down here. This is a standard tune acoustic because I wouldn't tune down just for this song to go play it. The range is not that high, so I don't have a problem with that. So, there you go. Luke Combs, Beer Never Broke My Heart.